Issa Talk is a Filipino podcast based here in Cebu City by your host, Issa Please. This podcast focuses on pop culture, growing up as a millennial, a woman, a creative, a creator, a business owner, and everything in between. I hope you like this podcast enough to subscribe and to add us to your playlist. Here's the episode. And you guys are listening to Issa Talk. I hope that you guys are doing well. This is probably the nth week of us being in lockdown, and I thought it would be really, really amazing to talk to old friends, an old friend, sort of a new friend. What's about old, new? We'll figure it out.
Oh,
I think this is the first time we're actually really talking. Right?
That's true, actually.
So, guys, I have Ghybz over. She's a digital creator and an artist and a
Hi.
podcaster from the Creepy Conversations with Kalai and Ghybz.
Hey! I think I'd like to start this conversation off with a little disclaimer. Kanang, I have the tendency to swear a lot
It's fine.
when I struggle to express myself. So you may have to label this as explicit or i-bleep na
Hoy,
lang
tanan
ko.
nako nga episodes actually are like explicit directo. I don't, because it's either someone else is cursing or it's me. Most likely it's me, but I'm happy
Okay,
that
good.
it's both of us in this episode.
Yes!
right?
At least dili siya akong
Right.
fault ba?
I don't really mind nga if explicit siya, but like some people, I think they mind. Nga I don't really know.
Yeah. Yeah, some people actually complain, especially, I don't know why. Pero minisiya, with our podcast, we get complaints from guys saying, oh, you're girls, but you
Oh my
swear
god,
too much.
fuck them all.
Please. Yeah.
I've gotten that.
Please
I
stop.
get that a lot. Like kanamuha na sa nga babae mta kang dako. Ngam day be kung babae kung dako, babae kung gamay mabalikas ang gihapon ko visit na di ka.
In kamura di pwede.
Lagot
Lagot.
day. So, for the listeners out there, Ghybz is, well, I always like to start off my introductions or the start of the episodes as to how I know my guests. So, Ghybz and I have known each other.
Known each other.
I think first time na to meet ka tong during our high school reunion. Right?
Yes. But we know each other because kabatch ta, pero we've never really
Yeah.
interacted.
But
Onya, we kind of like knew each other kanang in person, naging
Right.
pag-reunion.
so your group of friends, your barkada, is also my barkada.
Mm.
Silang Angie,
Yes.
Pano, Kalay. And then,
Yep.
so, new student man ka, Ghybz, di ba? Pag high school.
Pag high
What year
school,
ka, Lisa?
yeah. First year.
Pero wata nagkuyog, first year.
Dili man ta classmate.
Pero di
Section
mo
A ko.
barkada nilang Pano ato.
Dili pa. Pag second year namin nag-start. Actually, funny siya nga thing because I was supposed to be part of their clique. But then Molly had some issues with new girls.
What?
So it didn't happen.
Oh, so I made her graces then. Unsa ba? Kay I was the new girl in first year. So barkada me.
Yeah.
I had an old barkada. And then I decided to move out of that barkada. Unya, nibalhin ko nila
Yeah.
Pano and Angie. And I loved it because I got to play basketball every lunchtime. Naway walay
Oh,
mamaglong nako,
magkiat.
singot kay ko, magtinumboy ko dito. And they supported it.
Yeah. Kuan na may college na may nga sige jud kuyog kay classmates pud mi nilang kalayog pano pag
What's your
college.
course ka ninyo?
Fine arts. Major in advertising.
Oh yeah, I forgot si Pano Made no kay Fine Arts Made na siya. I didn't know si Kalay, Fine Arts.
Classmate mi. Wait, asta si kuan Mikey Batukan.
Oh, you know I see Mikey all the time.
Really? That's good. Oh no, wait, cuz like she works for the company that
That
I don't know how it
releases
works
by
with
Hana.
Hana.
Oh, but so she works at
Yeah.
RGC and RGC owns By TV, and By TV is where I release my content. So
Right.
technically it's like all the same office, just different companies, and then her dog has like bitten me like at least 5 times. Right? Like
Great.
I love
Hopefully
her
wag pa kay
dog, but
rabies.
I'm like, this is the only dog that has ever fucking bitten me in my entire life. Ikaw, do you have like a pet there?
No, di siya allowed. So I live in a condo with 5 other people, basically strangers, because I can only afford a room.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, I forgot to introduce you as that. But okay, sige, go.
Yeah.
Just for like everyone that's listening right now, Ghybz is actually all the way in Singapore. So,
Yes. Long distance call.
right. This show is going international now.
I love it.
Ghybz, what are you doing there? Just like for everyone that's listening, also for myself, because I don't actually know. I know you're there, but I don't know what your.
Yeah.
I know you work there, but I don't know what your job is, and I've always wondered.
Kuan siya. I'm a digital marketer. Charot.
Hala,
So,
kanindot sa ibong trabaho.
oh my God, no, labad kay siya sa ulo. Kay, it's not the usual digital marketing that people do nga. They do social media, they do kanang mga ads.
Mhm.
Mine is more on kanang mga emails o it's more technical. Kay,
Oh.
mo work man ko with systems good. It's,
You
yeah,
lost yet systems.
it's not sexy.
And I was like, oh, I thought like it would be different. But then like I think that one's actually better because I think once I'm back end na technically
Mm,
because you don't want to be
yeah.
dealing with influencers. Like I'll say that to you. like
Oh shit, yes.
like if you were like I don't call myself an influencer, but just to make the terminology easier,
Yeah.
I am categorized as an influencer, and I've worked with, and I know
Oh my God,
of.
own it.
Right.
Own
I
it.
don't wanna own it. Like, aw. But like,
No.
I know what they're like, and I'll tell you, like
Yep.
the, like, they're fucking.
Hey,
They're
Nami
all
experienced it Anna before, but I won't say her name because everyone
will know.
I lit yeah. Maybe offline like kanang wa ta nag-record mo chika ko nimo.
Sige, go.
But yeah, not here.
Diva kaayo. Daghaging ana.
Huh?
Diva kaayo.
Yes.
Daghaging
Say.
ana. Good. Like honestly, I would rather if I were working as a digital marketer, I'd rather be on the back end because I have to like deal with talking to. I say this in the
Yeah.
nicest way, guys. If you're an influencer, you know what you do. I'm allowed to shit on my own industry because
Well,
I know it, you know, just for everyone that's listening out there. But
bitaw.
diba, kibaw ko, kawari ayo, piste. Pero, so you're in Singapore and you're a digital marketer. So
Yeah.
so because of that, you live obviously in Singapore.
Yeah.
And as
No.
you said, a condo with 5 people.
Yeah, with 5 people. No, the thing about it here is mahal kayo everything.
Bitaw.
It's like a great place to be in. You earn big, but you're also spending big. So you can't really say, okay, people's mentality is if you're outside of the country, you earn a lot. So then that equates to being rich or,
Yeah.
those things.
Yeah.
But what they fail to see is kanang nalimot sad sila, your cost of living is also mahal.
Oh, bitaw. Mahal kay
Yeah.
Uy.
So, like, even mga locals, Diri, if you can afford your own place, and by that I mean the entire flat,
Yeah.
then you are filthy rich.
Yeah, that's true. I've heard that.
Anywhere ka ng mga coastal areas,
Yeah.
borders, anywhere near Malaysia, that's the cheap place.
So where do you live? Like
Kanya.
Nanha Dapita, or you live like a little
No,
closer?
okay, that's far. That's far from my office. It's not that there's traffic here. Tapulan lang you go, and I like to wake up. I used to like to wake up late, so I live like in central Singapore.
Oh, that's good.
So costly.
Malakaw ra. Malakaw ra ka na.
Dili, isa din
They
na
said.
naka
Oh,
doon.
okay. I was like, oh, malakaw ra. Unsa ba?
But like it's just 2, 3 train stops, which is like 15 minutes
That's
away.
so cool. Oh my God,
Yeah.
adulting lagi kay ka.
That is the biggest lie ever.
Okay, so you're just a child in Singapore.
Yeah. Kibaw ka, the other day, I was, kuan lagi, quarantine situation. Well, even before that, I've always ordered food in.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't cook.
Oh, I gotta take
Yeah,
you.
I
I gotta
can't.
give you my recipes then, because I'm about to open my own karinderya. Char.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I can't cook, so magpa-deliver ko. And then I save more if I deliver, ay, kanang magpa-deliver ko og daghan. Because sometimes it's like free delivery, so mag-init-init lang ba?
Yeah.
So namutan siya, nag-microwave ko og pizza. Imagine pizza. And then it came out fucked up. Like I ate crispy pizza because I burnt the cheese.
Well, cheese is hard to work with. I'll give you that. Don't beat yourself up too much because
Inana ka, grabe. Like, I've already microwave. It's already microwave food, ha? Nya, I still messed it up. Inana ka, grabe.
well, I can imagine because like you're working at an office, so it's so tight. Like
Mm-mm.
you have cafeterias there, you have all the hawker
Yep.
centers, and then when you come home, the last thing you want to do is like cook.
That's true.
Diba? As
Yes.
much as it saves you money, let's be real. Like nobody really wants to eat like the same food can meal prep.
Yeah.
Diba? And yeah,
And the thing is, it's not a culture here to cook. It's not like us, nga, you get home and if say you still live with your parents, your mom
yeah.
cooks or inana. Here is even with families, kanang their parents order in food.
Yeah, yeah. I can imagine.
So
I mean, like, my biggest grief getting married is that my husband couldn't afford a maid. As if it wasn't any of my responsibility too. It was his
No!
job.
No, I feel you. I feel you because every time this man gyud ko pirmi sa akong cousins. Okay, like I'm not domesticate. I'm not wife material, and they're like, "What if you get married?" I'm like, "I will work so hard. I could afford a maid for
I
that."
used to say that. Oh my god. Bugid ako ignorant sa una. Like, I don't need to learn how to cook or to clean because I can afford a maid. And then, fast forward to present times, I'm
Exactly.
so fucking broke, man. Like, people are like,
Eat your
what? You have a
words.
maid's quarter? Yeah, but I'm the maid. Like, okay. Sometimes I'll just sit in
Oh
that room and
man.
be like, this is where I belong.
Yeah.
Unya, so you're there with 5 people and then you recently just got the signal nga mag-lockdown, diba?
Yeah, so we started that's the crazy thing. Kay the COVID situation has been happening since January
Dugay
for
na bito.
Singapore. Yeah, but kanang life was still a bit normal for us.
Yeah.
Kanang I remember kuan to siya Chinese New Year. Diana, I don't know, kailan man kang Diana no?
Yeah, Mendezona.
Yeah, she's here now. She just moved pag Jan.
Yeah,
So
kaya diba nag-Bangkok mo to siya?
um I think so. Di ko sure. Or maybe Korea?
I know so much about our batchmates. No, what
Ay,
the fuck?
yeah.
Like, I moved to high schools in second year, but I know so much about our
Yeah.
batchmates.
It's like you never left.
I know. What the fuck?
Yeah, so we
But
took her out for Chinese New Year kay motoy time ato. And then we were still even joking nga, oh, have you heard about the Wuhan virus from tawag ato nga time? Yeah, can I remember, oh, have you heard about that? And we were making jokes. Nga, what if ma-virus the diri? Because, like, China. And then, like, a few days later, we heard news nga, naagyo na positive. Ngadto sa
shit.
among giadto.
Ah!
Like, kami ba kay, what the fuck? This is so real now? Kay, it didn't exist in Singapore then. Kay, it
Yeah.
was like China. But, yeah, ngadto kay, oh, wow, shit. Kanang, I'm not gonna joke about this anymore, but di pagay siya same as karon nga I don't want to go out of the house because it's
Yeah.
so scary. Kanang merg naa pa tong ignorant nga connotation nga only older people get it. So we're
Yeah.
still fine. But kuan siya, I only started working from home pag Monday, actually. So imagine like January until Friday last week, I still went to work.
Why did it take so long for them to tell you, like, that you should not go to work?
Um, I think theory rin ni siya nako ha, but I think the government didn't want people to panic. Kay the moment so we have alert levels here. It's green if everything's okay, yellow if merg na risk,
Yeah.
orange if kanang kulba na siya, and then red means total lockdown. And then when I think that was Feb nga they announced doors gone orange, everyone went crazy. Kanang
Shit.
they were hoarding stuff. Yeah, kanang everyone thought it was the end of the world because that was also the first time nga ni announce sila og code orange. Unya, kanang but the thing is they have it contained. Okay, they
Yeah.
have contact tracing man here. The nice thing and also the scary thing about the Singapore government is they know what everyone is doing.
Oh.
Like they have access to those things kay wala man sila like unlike in the Philippines wherein we have kanang mga privacy laws nato,
Yeah.
they don't have that here. So surveillance, imuhang communications on the phone, what you do on the internet, they have access to all of those. So
Okay.
kanang pero kuan siya mostly for safety purposes and for police kanang mga investigations gani.
Yeah.
So it was so easy for them to do contact tracing. Matrack dayon
Oh.
nila.
See, I mean, like, I never thought it was a weird thing, but I hear, like, in the US, they're so, like, against it.
Yeah.
Kananging ana. But, like, I mean, look at, like, you know, you guys have it, and it's not that bad because, like, you're able to trace kung asa
Yeah.
gikan. I just think, like, if anyone, like, you know, if the FBI or, like, the police or whoever wanted to trace my shit, they would be, like,
Yeah.
severely disappointed. Also, they would be like, they would feel really bad for me if they were to ever listen to all my conversations. It'd be like, oh my god, this girl is a joke. Why do we even listen to her? Right?
Kanang of all people, why her? No, I'm
Like,
just
eh,
kidding.
I'm so tired of listening to this bitch and her problems. Like, oh my god. Buong akong feelings. So, we're like, listen away. I have nothing to hide. Like, I'll give you my bank account details. Put some money in it if you feel really bad for me. And you will. You know?
Yeah. Di, pero kanang mao siya baylo. I think kuan man siya. It feels a bit like an invasion of privacy because what maanad ana, but for them
Mm.
it's like um what they bargained in return for kanang safety nila
Yeah,
gani.
yeah.
So I think it's not all that bad.
I
Yeah.
know. I mean, like,
Kuan lang siya. What do you call this? It started off the kanang the corona thing started off as okay kay murag they could still trace back where certain cases came from. Unya
mm,
naagid siya link ba nga, oh, this person nagka-corona siya because he came in contact with case number 1, or like they go to the same school or they went to the same party or something in Anna.
mm.
And then eventually we started having local cases nga what na sila kay baw asa gikan. Ang
Shit.
yeah. So then that's when we started to do nga okay, 50-50 work lang sa meaning batch A would be working from home and then batch B would be in the office and then after 2 weeks you switch. Kay
Mm.
para if in case na ay um ma mavirusan kay it's not the entire company ba.
Company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But kanang the cases started to spike kay dugay man sad sila nag-close sa ilahang ports, so we were still accommodating international flights kanang even mga stopover lang ba.
Oo.
And then the cases went up. So they were like, okay, let's stop everything. Unya, just yesterday we had the highest, which is 140 plus. Man
Oh.
siguro. Yeah, 80% of that is local cases.
Mao ba?
Yeah. So
Hala,
mo
uy.
to. Oh, muna siya nga kanang ang government is like, okay, we now all have to stay at home, but it's not as bad as Cebu because we can
Mm.
still go out to buy kanang groceries. They still even allow us to exercise. Like the government encourages us to jog, but like
Oh, okay.
alone.
Yeah.
Oh, na siya. Kanang sila gid mismo we get daily updates man.
That's good. Do you have,
Yeah.
like, but you guys don't need, like, an ECQ pass or, like, cause dire marag na siya papil-papil nga. Bro, siya ka na wa
Yeah.
kibaw sa tabo siyang kalibutan no, papil-papil. Kanang, na siya, okay, let's make this sound a little bit more sophisticated. They
Yeah.
give us like a sheet of paper, or no,
That's
not,
still the
not
same. You
helping.
just
They give you a
translated
pass,
it.
okay? They give you an ID that you need to present, or that you have to have on you if you go out. Pero naa mo anak dira.
No. No,
Oh.
because like we're technically they're not calling this an enhanced community quarantine.
Mm.
So we still have trains and buses working. Kanang we can still eat out. No, sorry, we can't dine in, but we can still go to restaurants to order takeout.
So you've just been taking out.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
tapulan man ko mugawas so magpa-deliver ko.
At least I get po. I mean, most of that, like here actually, like I look outside our window because I also live in a condo niya.
Mm-mm.
Murag niya. Dapat ka po tawag jogging? Niya, nagya po like you know, like I guess like this place has never really been like traffic induced. I mean, I look outside my window, it's basically the same. No, murag nagya po jeep, nagya po auto. I still see people jogging. We have neighbors going out. So I'm like, I thought there was like an ECQ, but then murag di man siguro kami ang mas bantayunon ba gihapon ang like the katong naa sa mga slums area ba kasi man ang mga badlungon jud kuno
Yep.
kaayo.
Yep, that's what I've heard said. And actually, I've seen this kanang news sa Sunstar where people were packing up in carbon kay they wanted to buy ingredients for binignit. Like, what the fuck, guys?
I read that. Like,
Like,
but
priorities.
What ko na, like, I don't mean to saway, and this is gonna sound a little bit mean, but I did say this ganina, kung nangandam sila paras Ginoo, kuyog na sila. Kibaw nag,
That's true.
diba? It's so irresponsible. Murag,
It
the whole,
is.
whatever. Isapot jud ko.
Actually, regarding your comment, makatawa ko sa thought ba nga, it is so true because churches and mosques were the first establishments here that were closed down. Okay, it was so easy to kanang contract the virus in those areas.
Yeah. Bitaw. Dili kay nagmas man siguro sila, but I think they put like the kanang caution tape. I don't know. I haven't been to church in like a really long time.
Same.
I think like the last time I went to church was our wedding day, so I'm really not sure anymore. Did you also have like the shortage of toilet papers and masks and everything?
Pagsugod. No, kanang mo na siya mo pirmi ipanghambog because like everyone is out of toilet paper. US, Australia, maybe even there, I don't know. But kami diri kay I think out of everyone around the world nga na hit sa virus, we're the most kanang normal ang state.
I would think because Singapore is such like an awesome place to be in. Like everything about that place is just so ideal.
Yeah, kanang andam kayo lahang government, and I think it's mostly because of what happened to them during SARS.
Naigo
Okay.
day silag SARS.
Yeah, they were hit pretty bad. Unya, kanang schools were closed down, but they weren't ready for it. So a lot of people died because they didn't have the equipment. The government didn't have plans in place kung unsay buhaton. So like natagam sila ato ba. And this time around, they didn't wait for things to get serious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Epidemic pa man naging ana, di ba? Munti tawag ato. SARS was an
Oh.
epidemic because it was
Yep.
only contained within Singapore. Am I right?
Kuan siya. I think naasad to sa China. China gyapon siya nag-start.
Yeah, actually. But pandemic now because it's like all over the
All
world,
over.
right?
Yes.
Fuck.
Yes.
Yes, wow. I never thought. That's what I was saying. Right? Like, I was talking about it yesterday. I was like, fuck, I never in my life thought that I would ever experience a pandemic, but
Same.
here we are.
But we're getting written in history books. I can smell it.
I know, right? But, like, in fairness, I mean, now I feel a little bit lighter about it because, like, the last couple of weeks, it was just so bad. Like,
Yeah.
my anxiety was, like, off the roof. Especially here sa Cebu, kay murag, or in the Philippines in general, just because like of a lot of things that were going down. But then like,
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I've just gotten so used to looking at our walls. I know where all the ants are coming from now. Na ikaw, bagura man ka nagsugod. So, how's your experience like with just newly being under lockdown or what's my
Um,
term?
so far it's still okay. I mean, it's only been 4 days for me.
Yeah.
So, kanang murag, oh, this is fine. I think eventually, like, maybe next week, ay makaanan ako kaya talami ay ilaw, gawas ani week, murag, ah.
The trick is to take a bath every day, which is something I don't do, but like
Dude,
condition yourself.
I, I shower twice a day. Like,
I
in anak
need
ka,
that.
grabe.
I need that motivation in my life. I just took a shower before this call after
Yeah.
like 2 days.
No, but what I told myself, good, is I will not change my routine. I will still pretend like I'm going to work. It's just
Yeah.
that my location is at home. So, my regular routine before was I wake up at 5 a.m. maski 9 pa akong trabaho because I go to the gym in the morning and then I go to work.
Now,
So,
imuhang gym is at like katong sa inyong common area, no? Because I see you doing yoga.
yeah. So I go down in the morning kay para magkuan yoga na lang ko. Like, pretend as if everything is still the same. It's
Yeah.
just it's a different location now.
Yeah, that's true. And, I think, like, it kind of sets you up, bang, like, oh, if I ever just want to work from home, I can actually do it now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? That's how I was when this started. And then, like, 2 weeks in, like, I was just like, fuck this shit. Like,
I can't.
I think I got, like, because for me, I really didn't want to accept that there was something going on.
Mm-mm.
Because I saw this as an opportunity for me to, like, be more productive because everyone was at home, everyone was consuming my content. And then after a while, I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. I'm so tired. I can't go out. I can't talk to my friends. And then I was just like, you know what? No. I'm just going to be potato for the rest of this.
How bad is it? Like, but you can still go down, right? Or unsa ba? Like,
Maka,
how bad is it?
makanaog baya ka? Because we go down to walk our dog that is
Yeah.
not supposed to be in this condo, but is in our condo. So he's technically an illegal resident here. But so we bring him down to like pee and poop, and then Paulo does it most of the time because I don't want to go down. Because in my head, I'm like, I can't wait to go outside. But the moment I go
Right.
downstairs, I get so fucking paranoid.
Yeah. No, it makes sense bitaw. Like, I'll compare it to my experience here, ha. Everything, the whole quarantine thing started just this week. So every time I go to work, and plus, kuan sad, it's only recently nga ni-advise ang government to wear a mask whenever you're out. So the whole time, everyone is not wearing a mask unless they're sick. Yeah, you go to work, you ride the trains and the buses, and it's still cramped. It's normal and
Yeah.
it's as if like regular day, but then you don't know if kanang matakdan ka or what, because a lot of people are asymptomatic.
Bitaw.
Yeah, imagine we have like 1,000 cases here in total na, and about 300 plus of those cases are asymptomatic patients. They tested positive, but technically speaking, they're clinically healthy.
So, also mo siya, like, kanang nag-mass testing sila or they just, like, how did they get the tests?
I think naa sila yung mga honestly, I don't know.
I know,
But they're
me,
not
actually, I
doing-
don't even really know a lot right
Yeah.
now either.
It's just major assumptions and the stuff you read online. Kanang,
Yeah.
they're not doing mass testings, and I think it's also because they're reserving resources, diri. It's such kuan the thing about Singapore is it's so tiny. It's even did you know that Cebu, like the island of Cebu, is bigger than Singapore? Like inanakagamay ang Singapore.
No ba?
Yeah. So
What
one
if
wrong
Cebu is
move.
just as small as Singapore? I mean, if Cebu, yeah, it's Cebu, why can't we be like Singapore?
No idea.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Kuan siya. because the country is so small, one wrong move could just bring them down. Mo nang
Yeah.
careful kayo lahang government about it. And then almost everything said is imported. So they have
Ah,
to
that's
be
right.
careful with the stuff they have.
Kay dili wala man sa ilang own resource. Like I heard
Yeah.
that the resource na are the people and education, 'di ba?
Yes. Yes. So most of the stuff is imported from Malaysia. So when we heard that they were closing borders in Malaysia, everyone freaked out because we're like, where the fuck are stocks gonna come from now? But
Yeah.
kuan siya, they made sure nga deliveries, like there is still import going on. It's just human like traffic does not get in and out the borders.
At least like you guys still have work though. That's really good. Nga, you are still able to like be at home but still work and still like get paid
I
mostly.
think kuan siya. I'm one of those lucky people nga among industry is thriving ani nga situation because I work for a domains and hosting company, and like since everyone's at home, everyone's trying to get a website to run their kuan businesses.
So
And
now they're
yeah.
realizing how important websites are
Yeah.
for their businesses because like they're like, oof, I could have had delivery service. I'm not gonna make fun of the
Yeah.
businesses, but like honestly,
No,
this
but I
is
mean,
something that I've been trying to get my clients to do for a while and they never believed me. Look
it's
where
the
we are now.
reality. Yeah. So kana siya, our business is thriving because of the situation. So I'm one of the lucky ones, but kanang daghan sag nag-retrench bitaw. I'm not
What's
saying like
retrench?
here, but like in general, all over the world, people are losing their jobs. I have friends and kanang family in US nga. Na nakita nga, okay, I'm unemployed because our we can't do our jobs at home, and at the same time the business can't run nga home base, so they had to let us go.
Yeah. That's what's going on with us right now because like
Mm-mm.
ako well, I don't really have a job. I just prostitute myself online. But
I
like
love that. I envy you actually, like kanang mo na siya kong dream bitaw. Just so
you
you know.
don't make a lot. I'm telling you. Like I'll make kanang for Bayhana because I don't get paid sa Bayhana per episode. I
Mm-mm.
only get paid for sponsored episodes and then I'll get like sponsored posts for my
Right.
Instagram. Like, you know, just like the typical influencer stuff. So murag for me, especially now, like I'm not the top blogger in my industry. I don't
Right.
think I'm gonna get to that place anytime soon, but murag, I'm not the priority. So if there are any marketing campaigns coming in, it's not obviously coming to me. Kay gagipit ang
Mm-mm.
mga kumpanya. The first thing
Yep.
that goes away when you are in a like when you're trying to cost cut, it's marketing baya.
That's true.
Diba?
That's
So
Oh my God, mao
mm,
gyud na siya akong major problem because like we're in marketing, and actually just today I had a call from our boss. Niya, among boss is in US, and they're like,
mm.
"Oh, we're cutting budgets." We were already at 50% sa among usual nga budget, and then he's like, "Oh, we're cutting 30% more." And we're like, "Are we even gonna run something at all?"
Yeah.
Kanang asa
It's
naman ni?
lisod jud kaayo gyud like mo gina first gina marketing is the
Yeah.
first one to go. That's why a lot of companies here in Cebu and in the Philippines they don't have marketing because in order for you to have marketing you have to have sales, but in order for you to have
Yeah.
sales you need to market. So what's what,
Like,
diba?
it's the chicken and egg situation.
Exactly. So oh my god, what adult conversations. What,
So
like
true.
not like so I'm still like I still take like little jobs, but I have considered
Mm-mm.
OnlyFans. I have considered selling pictures of my feet online. I'm like I
Feet!
don't
Oh my God, does that work? I need extra cash.
dude you I heard well if you go on YouTube you can actually research like how to sell feet photos online and you can actually make a lot.
I don't have nice feet.
You
Pwede
don't need to
something
have
else?
nice feet because it's a fetish and people sometimes like very specific looking feet. Like
Oh my God.
if
Yeah.
you think that you have like granny feet, there might be people who like granny feet,
Oh
and I'm
my
not gonna judge them for that
Yeah. No,
because
I get what you mean. But like,
right,
lula we.
yeah, and then like, but you can, but the thing is, there's no one website for it. That's the problem. Like, you
Right.
can't just go on, like, instafeet.com. You have to go on, like, Reddit or Twitter or Tinder. Kanang ikaw jay maning kamot pangitagi mo ang kliyente ba?
Oh my God. Can I just be a sugar baby?
I've also considered that.
I'm not judging because it's decent money. Honestly, if
Right.
people pay for prostitutes, how different is this?
I told Paulo, like, I already asked permission from my sister-in-law. I was like, hey, if I
Right.
ever went online and sold my stuff, like, would you care? And he's like, I don't know. I'm like, Paulo, I post half-naked pictures of my body almost every day on the internet.
Mm-mm.
I see the number of people that share and bookmark my photos.
Yep.
They're most likely already like masturbating to that. I get like an average number of dick pics in a
Yep.
year, so I'm like, if I
I
actually
get
made money
you.
off of this shit, wouldn't that be better?
No, kanaging at least kanang na ay the trauma that I experienced from it kay naa siya bawi gani.
Diba? Murag kaya ta kung luluan naman lang ko ninyo, at least bayre ko.
That's true.
I've really
That is so
considered it.
true.
We have to come up with a game plan for this. Like, we could make this,
Yes.
like, we could make
It
an
should be a
OnlyFans
thing.
account and just like webcam together.
This is a business plan.
This
Okay,
is,
this is for
yeah.
another conversation, but this is definitely a business plan.
Right. It's a very smart business plan. You may not have money, but you know, everyone still needs to masturbate to something.
Something. Yep.
Let that be us.
I mean, Pornhub has already proven that. They've already given free porn to Italy.
Oh, didn't they? No, they gave it all over the world too.
Now?
Yeah,
Really?
go
Sorry, di
on.
ko updated.
Dili kay ko because I don't really watch a whole lot of porn, but then my friends, you know, like group chats will say like, "Oh, Pornhub's free," and then like you'll go on it, and then libre na gid siya, which I didn't even know that you had to pay for.
Yeah, me too. But I need a VPN for that because porn is illegal in Singapore.
Oh, is it?
It is. No, that's the funny thing because prostitution is not, but porn is.
Well, why is it so loud? Oh, nagstorya di akong akong banas telepono ano di ay. Sorry. I think I would actually understand because if it's porn, you can't really control what kind of porn you're watching. So basin na ay marag mga bata kanang mga ingana ba
Right.
kanang underage stuff. So marag if you wanna be a normal lustful human being, at least do it
Yep.
with like something you're sure of.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah. So
Kung
I
ang
never
ganda.
thought about it that way, but bitaw no.
Karon pasag ko ka-realize ana because I always thought it was ridiculous like why kanang magbuot man ka oy people have their and besides it's cheaper.
Yeah, yeah. But also
yeah, it makes
Singapore
sense.
is their resources are people. So
Yes.
they're just making use of all the people that they have.
Kanag yun. Know your playing field.
Right? Oh man, I really have considered it many a times. Like when
Actually, ako sad.
I'm just at home, I'm like, man, I need money. Like, is this the day I'm gonna sell my feet pictures?
Some days I'm like, I should have been just a stripper. They
Right?
make good tips, by the way. I don't know nga sa Pilipinas have like, judging from what I see in US, they make good
Oh,
tips.
they do. Oh my god. So I watched this YouTuber. Her name is Christina Villegas.
Mm.
And like she says that she makes $15,000 a month
What?
on stripping.
Stripping. Wow.
And I did the math, that's like $750,000 a month. 7,050 pesos.
Dude. What I tax? Because that's from tips.
Lagi, unya, kibaw ka wa siya linga mag-luxury shopping siya.
Wala na. I'm gonna move to US once this COVID thing is over and then I'm gonna start stripping.
You're flexible, Ghybz. You could. And you have a really nice body, and you have
Oh my
like this very
God.
seductive face. Like,
You make it sound like you don't have all this too.
no, I don't have this. I look like
No.
I look like a child. Like my face looks like, you know how I describe. No, I can't say it online, but like if you went to the U.S. and you started stripping, I would pay good money to see you twerk. Like,
Oh, I will send that to you for free.
okay, do it. I would love to have it. Right? They're like, oh my god.
Ay,
I don't know how we're gonna get out of this thing alive.
yeah.
Unsa man
I
imo
don't
plano mo uli ka after?
I don't know yet. Because the thing is, kanang, I'm also scared nga once they lift the ban, no, and we think it's over, but then there's a second wave. It's already expected. Like scientists have kanang predicted this na based on studies, and also this is what happened to the Spanish flu before. They thought it was okay and they lifted all the quarantines, and then a second wave came in and it was deadlier.
Fuck.
So it's a possibility for COVID.
So kano sa kita makagawas ani sa atong mga walay? Kano sa kita makalarga sa states para mag-stripper?
That's
Unsa
the
man ang
thing.
ETA ani?
Ambot lang, Jud. Mangutan na ta mo. Email ta ni COVID. Hi, Miss Rona.
Oh, hi Miss
What's
Rona. I'd
up?
like to know. Did you see that tweet? Nga katong Amerikana siguro to ni ana nga I need to know a date when this is gonna be over.
Oh my God.
That was so
Grabe
funny.
ka demanding. Are you serious right now?
Ayan, kami sa day, wasa may kibaw ka na saan human. Ano ka?
You know, the thing is, kanang mularga unta ako. This October, I actually have a trip planned to Vegas because my cousin is getting married ba. And then pag Feb, I was planning out my kanang itinerary, and then they were always joking, alit na lagi diri because COVID is happening there, you're gonna die or whatever. Onya, kana game rig, wow, look at you guys now. Kumusta mo?
Ang imuhang larga gives ba ilahang murag gi-reimburse na or ma-move ni mo flight or how does that work?
Actually, wapo kapalit.
Okay, that's good.
Which is good, yeah. But this happened to my friends. They had a trip to Australia, like nabook na nila and stuff, but kanang dili i-cancel sa airlines. What they do is they make you move your date for free. Yeah.
Did you know that ang Cebu Pac ni sira na?
What?
Yeah,
Like, is it
ni sira sila.
Damn.
Di naman sa kalarga. Unya, ni, kana, unsay tawagan ni, because I went to the press conference. Like, let's say the press conference was on a Wednesday,
Yeah.
and then they were still asking us to promote stuff for them. Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday they announced they're closed. They just closed.
Wow. That's
Oh.
intense.
Ang tal, sira naman sad. Unya, they were already like at a loss like from last year. So karon kay murag luoy na kay na sila.
Oh, wow. Sila pa gid akong gi-consider nga airlines to go to US. Kay they had cheap
Yeah.
promos, like really cheap promos. Yeah.
Just wait until like because you're obviously gonna end up saving a lot more right now kay gawas and you're just working at home and then like just save all that money and then travel the world after this because
Yeah.
all those flights are gonna be like
Oh, mamawi na
Hatag na
sila.
nila.
Uy. Oh. No, but then I realized nga, I don't think I'll be saving because I'm stuck with online shopping. I buy the most
Oh, that's
ridiculous stuff. Ambot.
I don't think that your purchases are ridiculous because I know what color your hair is right now and I think that's like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Thank you. Joker
So
hair.
for those who don't know, Ghybz right now has like this amazing neon green hair and if you look at my Instagram, akong mga picture, akong mga buhok, not buhok, ako ang eyeshadow lately has been the color of your
Yes,
hair.
I saw that. I'm like, yes, work it.
Because I fucking love your hair so much. And I now realize that that's why I kept using green as eyeshadow because suya kay ko sa mong buhok.
Oh my God, don't. Kay patay sa akong hair. It comes at a cost. You get vibrant colored hair, but your hair is super dry and dead.
I can imagine though
Yeah.
because like to get that beautiful color, your hair has to be like white.
Yes.
Shit.
I have to bleach at least 3 times to get it really light nga mogawas gid ang color. Because the thing is about kanang vibrant colored hair dyes is it's not opaque. So they don't color dark hair.
That's right.
Yeah. So that's
So you've been like online shopping on mabuang ko ni mo games. At least make sure to sanitize it. I'm gonna send you a
yeah.
link of how to like take care of your packages.
Yes, please. Yes, please. I'm so
Yes.
paranoid actually. Okay, even if kanang so like I said before the recording, I get my food delivered, or maybe I said it while we were recording, whatever. Yeah, I get my food delivered, but they won't let the delivery guys in the
Mm-hmm.
condo na. So I have to go down and pick it up. And then when I get here, kay, even akong keys and my doorknob, I spray alcohol.
Oh, ing anak ko.
Because I mean,
Ang
like, you
among
can't be too safe.
yeah. That's so normal. And you live with 5 people, Gibbs. So
Mm-mm.
that's just you being responsible, honestly.
Pat on the back.
Pat on the back. Adulting, like you are halfway there to adulting.
Halfway. Murag
Halfway na
ganara
ka.
siya kutom.
Hapit na ka
Yeah.
ma-adult. But
Hapit ra.
I think you're more of an adult than I am.
Ah,
Pero,
really?
I can't do shit, man. Like, my husband still has to laba my clothes because I don't know how to do it.
He
Like,
what's your clothes?
siya ang naglaba.
I okay ra. I still don't know. Like, if I didn't have a washing machine, I would cry.
I don't know how to use a washing machine.
Oh, I read the manual.
We don't have a washing machine here. We would go to the laundry shops and
I cannot. Yeah, I don't know how to do that side. So
right?
we're on
When
the
do
same
they?
boat.
Tudluan anis STC oy yatay.
Wala. I think itudluan taglaba girl. But like, you know
Ha?
us. I don't know. Or no, sorry, cooking. But I still don't know how to
Tag
cook.
ito do ang glaba grabe sad. Ako sad ki
Over.
ha? Gitudlo na.
Over sad. Pero kibaw ka nga,
Overreact.
katong first year nako diri, because I've been living here for 2.5 years naman. The first
Yeah.
year I was here, yani uli ko. Kibaw ka ang sa gisulti nilang kalay og pano.
Unsa man?
We're so proud of you because we thought you wouldn't survive.
Oh my god. Ngano ni balhin kag Singapore?
Because I need money.
Yes, actually, it's a really good place. Like Singapore's like a really good place, especially for like
Yeah.
artists and creatives and stuff like that.
Yes, but at the same time, kuan siya, for people like us, ganang magkiat lang naong, it
Yeah.
can get boring. Because people here are so safe. Nga kanang
Ah.
everything has to be planned. Yeah, you can't be as spontaneous as you want.
Mm. So napuyo gid ka gamay.
Oh, napuyog yung kog ahat din eh.
Knowing our friends nga kana ganing we're like, hey, let's just do this. Let's go na.
And
Diba?
yeah, like, in anak ka grab like imagine na ha, first few months na ko here, I wanted because they had can I rent a bike kind of like you have an
Oh, I
app.
like that. Oh, an app.
And then you scan like na siya barcode, so you scan the barcode para ma-unlock ang bike, and then you can use it around the country. So na sila in ana.
Oh.
And then I wanted to go around the place, pero I wanted someone with me. Kay obviously bago palagi ko diri, and so I invited one of my colleagues, and then he goes like, "Oh, but where are we going?" And I was like, "Let's just get lost. I just want to see the place." And then he's like, "No, that's not my thing." Or like, basta kanang they always have to have a plan.
Oh.
So, mo to siya, sad ka akong life.
I can just like imagine how that doesn't work with our group of friends
Yeah.
because like the fact nga we're 29 years old and we still get drunk like we were 18
Yeah.
is just like okay. Asa na ta maabot,
As in. So
diba?
it's a nice place, but at the same time I don't see myself nga kanang permanently living here because of certain differences.
But I think agi muhang next career move, if ever, like if you were ever to come back to the Philippines, I think it would be for you to start your own startup.
I would want that.
Yeah. Mona, like, you don't come to Cebu and work for a company
Yeah.
because you're not really gonna go anywhere. You're just, unless gipirate kag like some amazing company. But in the digital field here in Cebu, I highly doubt it. So you're gonna have to really just start your own startup company.
Yeah. Kuan na siya. That's also one of the reasons, like, besides the fact that you get good money here, the experience ana nga industry is so different. Like, they're so advanced din hiba.
Yeah, I can imagine. They have Facebook over there, right?
Yes. Kanang we actually
I mean, like the company.
Yeah,
is there.
we usually go to Facebook and LinkedIn offices for seminars.
Oh shit,
Okay.
that is so
Yeah.
cool.
And the nice thing about those things kay kanang you're allowed to drink. Like they
Oh,
serve cocktail, so you're mingling with
right.
other people drunk, and I'm like, yes, I am being paid at the moment to get drunk and
Oh,
network.
that's true. That's right.
Yeah.
But I was really considering, like, if I was gonna work anywhere, I would have really wanted to work at Facebook or Google
Mm-mm.
because I think they have like a Google office there, diba?
Yes. I think
Yeah.
they have everything din bitaw.
I would work at that library even.
Oh,
Like,
the library is so cool.
man, I'm gonna visit you.
You
We also
should.
have friends there.
Yes.
They just moved, and then like me and Paulo like want to
Mm-mm.
travel, but we'll see.
Not
And
yet.
then we could go check out the strip clubs and see what it's
Yeah.
like. How much you could potentially be making.
Fun fact, I have never been to a strip club before. Ever.
Ako sad.
Ah,
Ako
really?
sad, actually.
Virgins.
Virgins
I
kita.
love it.
I've never been to a strip club. I know our friends like to go a lot,
Yes, they do.
right? But for my bachelorette, I got a boy and a girl.
I saw that.
And then I was like, I don't need a fucking strip club. I got the whole show right here.
Hoy, gisapod jud ko because I saw your stories and then you were bleeping some stuff and I'm like, damn it, I want to see the whole thing.
The best stories, I think, were on Panos and I think
Ay.
Kenji.
Well, di
Basta,
na
like, the girl,
Mm.
she ended up sleeping over.
What?
And she slept in the same bed as Pano, Kenji, Alisa, and my mom.
Wow.
Yeah, and so it was her first time to do a bachelorette party because she always just does it for guys, right?
Right.
And then she said that there was a dude waiting for her downstairs that night because they were gonna go karaoke on a date, and then she had so much fun at my bachelorette that she
Oh my God,
decided
she
to not.
ditched him?
She ditched her date. Was waiting for her downstairs at 3 o'clock in the morning. She was like, "Bye, bitch. I'd rather stay here and get drunk."
Oh
So
my
she got drunk with us,
God.
and then she slept on the same bed with everyone. And she was so much fun. Like, honestly, like, nobody really cared about the dude.
Oh no, but I
Like,
can
everyone
imagine.
was like, yeah. So everyone was like, "Oh my God, can I touch your boobs?" And then she was like,
Yeah.
letting us, like, she was showing us like her vag, and we're just like, wow, science.
I don't think it's like in anak ka grabe bitaw because even especially when I had my bago pa akong boobs because I had my
Yeah.
boob job man and
I read that blog actually. Blog or vlog?
I did both. And it first gets very hard. It feels different and then people were like, "Oh my God, can I touch it?" But it kuan lang. Like fine, yeah, sure, whatever. It doesn't feel weird when you act like
Yeah.
have people do that to you, especially if it's
Yeah.
not threatening ba.
Yeah. Like, of course, like, if it's a girl, if it's a friend, or even if it's a guy, but if, like, kibaw ka nga, it's not manyakis.
Yep.
Like, it's just like, sure,
Yeah, it's
touch
just
it.
nothing.
I did have a question though. I don't know if I was able to read it or not, but I do remember, like, I had a question about getting your boobs done.
Okay.
Like,
What's the question?
it's just like the recovery ba. How come it looks so hard?
Kuan siya. It's because apparently we have pockets sa tuang chest, and that's where fats are stored. And if you're born with like small boobs, gamay imuhang pockets. At the same time, imong skin is not kanang stretched to accommodate um something din haba. So when you
Mm.
put in the implants, you're trying to enlarge something. Onya
Stretch imong
maghubag
skin.
o you're trying to stretch your skin and then muhubag sad gyud kay they cut you open baya. So
Eek!
besides
Sounds
kuan
painful.
siya, besides the implants being there, your entire chest is also swollen. So murag times two nga kanang nainat imuhang panit.
Oh
So
my god,
yeah.
my boobs are starting to hurt. Shit. That's right. I never imagined it like that. Because in my head, it was like, you just slice the skin open, you insert something, you close it, and then
Then that's
voila. I thought you could, like, literally just walk out.
actually you can. You can. So
But
my
not, like, right after the operation, though.
um right after the operation pwede siya, but because you went undergone anesthesia, you feel nauseous after. Mo na siyang you have to rest.
Ah.
But basically, I was in and out of the hospital the same day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because kita ko laing babae. Unya, na hospital siya for like 2-3 days. And
What
then someone
happened to
had to
her?
like feed her and give her water. And I was like, oh, murag, di man di ay lali magpa boob job. Kay, she couldn't move.
Uncomfy case, yeah. Like even my doctor said nga a lot of people complain about the pain. Pero ako personally, I have a high tolerance with pain, manggod. So it was just uncomfy for
Ah.
me. But if I'm lying down, katong bag-o pa, and then I try to get up, kay I need someone to pull me. Kay mura siya na ay
Ah.
hollow block imuhang chest, kanang mura siya gipilit. So bugat siya.
Oof.
And at the same time, di ka kapangusog sa imuhang arms. So, kana.
Now I want to get a boob job because I
Why?
want to know what that feels like.
Kuan siya bitaw. It's an emotional roller coaster. And that's what I also said sa hong vlog. Kay, I wasn't expecting it to be in anak ka grabe. Kanang, I've always
Oh.
wanted to get one. Yeah,
Yeah.
I've saved up for it gyud ba. So when the time came, nakurat gyud ko nga murag, oh wow, I thought I would like it instantly, but tungod kay it doesn't heal right away. Hubag siya. Imagine na imong tutoy kay tibuok. Like no matter
Yeah.
what you do, it doesn't jiggle.
Yeah. I've seen that. Yeah.
Yeah, so kanang stressful sad kay siya and plus hubag siya for a month. So you don't feel pretty. You just feel
So,
kanang distorted.
oh, so but like if you massage it more, then muhumok siya or gahi gina siya forever.
Humok siya. At first I thought you have to massage it para mo soft, but it's supposed to add to the pockets. So you move kanang dili ra siya
Mm.
kumot-kumot. Naagid siya way nga you have to push it to the side, pataas, paubos. So there's more space for the silicone to move. Nya mo na siya nga when you start to move mo jiggle na imong boobs niya at the same time it stops unsay tawag ana ha kanang dili siya mobuto gani kay
Oof, these are a lot of things I never thought about, but I'm having images in my brain.
kay if it's too tight obviously in closed case siya na mo rupture gid
Ah.
imong kuan implants. So yeah. But like lisod kay siya to massage yourself kay mangusog imong arms so your chest muscles are also contracting. Yeah, sakit siya. So I had someone else to help me. Ako my then boyfriend had to do that for me. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, that I'm interested.
It's not sexy. Maski siya kay niya ana siya nga di man nimo akong imagine uy kanang I forgot his term, basta kay murag gikapoy yang kamot kay gahi.
Ah, I always, in my head, I know that I'm eventually gonna get my boobs done, but
Okay.
because I feel like my boobs are a little bit bigger for my body size,
Mm-hmm.
which is why I hide it a lot. So
Actually, suya ra ba
whatever
kay
you
ko sa imong
see
boobs?
in, huh?
Suya kay ko sa imong boobs ra ba?
Di na ba dyan ko ganahan sa kututoy?
I think it's usually
Murag,
like that.
I think like I'm like so when I was a little younger I used to like not like my boobs because
Mm.
I thought they were too big, and
Yeah.
then now that they're getting saggy, I like shit, I should have loved my boobs back then. But dili kay ko comfortable with my boobs. Maybe now a little bit more, but I
Mm-hmm.
always in my head imagine that after I've had all my kids
Yep.
and I'm done like feeding them, then I would definitely get my boobs done.
So it's like a reduction, ana?
Maybe not reduction. I would want them to be perky, so I might get
Ah,
implants or something. You know, if it's I don't actually know what boobs look like when you're done breastfeeding, so we'll have
mo
to
saggy
figure
gid
out.
siya. You
Like,
should ask Bugs to show you.
oh, but Books does a lot of dancing too, huh?
Yeah, but like I went swimming with her once and then naagi siya difference. Like siya
Like,
mismo ni
like luyat good.
oh, ni sagi gid. Plus she has 2 kids.
Yeah, yeah. But she's been, you know, recently, she's been doing a lot at Baya in like for the whole pandemic
Yep.
that's going on, because she's still having her dance classes. That's so
Yeah,
amazing.
I saw. Masaya bitaw ko. Or, wow, go.
Okay. Unya, can you imagine, like, naluoy ba ako? Like, I feel so bad for a lot of our friends because this is, like, the year where, well, last year was the year where a lot of our batchmates really started getting into businesses. Like, it was that year nga, ready na ba para mo
Right.
negosyo? We've had enough experience, we've saved enough money, and then it's finally our time to start getting into a business that we like, diba? And then now that this has happened, it's like a really big weight on a
Yeah.
business.
Sagpa kay siya. Plus the fact that they're just starting, and when you're starting a business, you're expecting a loss in the first few years,
Yeah.
and then this happens ba? So lisod kayo ibawi.
Bito, imagine na si Boggs. Like, she started the dance
Yeah.
studio. Unya, inside the mall.
Kana,
Diba?
kana gyud. I was so proud when I saw that, and then sayang kaayo
Mm.
karon.
I think si Ayala kay mo hatag man hinuon og kanang leeway, but
Mm-mm.
still, even if hatagan ka og, let's say, wala sa kay rant for a while, even just getting people to sign up for a class,
Yes.
luxury baya na, huh?
Yep. That is
It's
so
so
true.
hard. It's so hard. Unya, tanawa si Panuog si Dang.
Kana.
They finally have 2 businesses.
But I think easier sa part nilang panoog ni Dang because
Pano.
they're food industry, so they can always just offer delivery.
Ah, yeah, that's true.
Yeah. But like
Yeah.
ang dance studio is more difficult kay even if you say you will ask for payments as subscription for the class, if wala kwarta ang tao, they can always just look for other alternatives nga libre.
Yeah, online.
Mm.
TikTok.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm always on that.
I saw. Okay, so let me tell you. I honestly thought that you would be one of those people who would never go on TikTok. I just in my head had this picture
I always thought
that you
so
would never
too.
go on TikTok, and then the next thing I know, oy, ga TikTok na lang gini si
I
Ghybz.
fucking caved. No, I'm not gonna do that. And then everyone else is, and I was checking one of my friends' app ba. And I'm like, oh shit,
Oh.
this is so fun. So at first, I was on there for a while with nothing on my account, and I was just looking through the videos. Then sometimes you see challenges, and I'm like, I can do that.
Right?
So kana siya nasuya di ay to.
As in, kibaw ka, like, I've been on TikTok for a while.
Mm.
Yeah, I hated TikTok because nakasa na sila nako, or
Oh wow.
murag ang ilahang agency. I don't actually know how it works, but I got emailed nga murag, oh, we want you to be an ambassador for TikTok and you create these videos and then we'll pay you.
Right.
And then I didn't ask for like my memos, like my memorandums and shit like that. So I just said yes.
Yep.
And then sila pa nagbuot Ghybz sa ako ang mga igawas nga videos.
Oh.
So tanan nilang pahimo nako kanang batignaw na mugwapa. Na maglagot gyud ko ana kay murag di ko ganahan ba kay like you know like those kind of ugly Betty ones nga murag ighapak sa camera sa mong naong kay mugwapa di ay ka. Like I fucking hate those videos because in my head it's like so I'm basically telling people nga kung bugason ka bati kag naong or kung hiwi imo lipstick bati kag naong or kung dako kag mata ang usa gamay bati kag naong, di ba? And I'm so uncomfortable with it because I always hated it. Mo gina lang ipabuhat nako. So I did the videos because I'm a whore, I can be bought.
No judging.
And then I did the videos and then they said, "Oh, we can't pay you because you don't have enough followers." And I was like, "What the fuck? You guys didn't tell me this."
Kaya ta.
Lagot kay ko. Yung mo kay mo ko ni sa inyong kontrata. Nagbirugo masag ko. So I just like, I had the app for like 2 years. And then I just, a year and a half siguro. And then now I'm like, I hate TikTok and yet I'm on this thing every single day.
It
I really have
happens.
no values.
Sometimes I ask myself the same thing bitaw nga marag, oh, mapalit di ay ko. But like needs, you have to be practical sometimes, you know.
Right.
Yeah.
Like, I don't like I didn't like them asking me to make ugly faces, and yet I did it. But I tried not to like, I don't even know. I think delete them siguro to na ko mga videos because I really hated myself after that. But TikTok right now is a lot better than it was before, honestly.
Oh, I can't go on. I can't compare because I've only been here this year. Actually, just a month ago.
It's really good. Kay kanang sa una magod gikan atong Musical.ly ba, and then like dub pay uso, like uso kitong dubbing. And then now it's like dancing, like
Nanay talent bitaw.
oh, unya for me, for like our industry.
Yep.
If you find an actual like TikTok influencer, because a lot of them are coming out, they're just like a lot younger.
Yeah.
But the kids that are coming out on TikTok or the influencers that are emerging have actual talent.
That's true. That's
Right?
true. Even if sa editing lang,
Yeah.
that requires ka ng time and effort bitaw.
Oh.
But it's surprising.
Whether it be
Okay.
dancing or cooking or whatever the hell it is that they do
Uy.
online on TikTok and it gets them viral, these are kids or people that actually have something to put on the table. They're not just a
Yeah.
pretty face that know how to pose in front of a camera.
Yep. It surprises me bitaw nga marag how young they are. I feel old. Nga magtan ako marag, oh my god, they're still 18.
Don't you feel bad when there's like a really cute guy on it?
Yes. Every time.
And you're like,
nga marag, I feel like a pedophile.
Right? Like, guwapo kay sila. And I'm like, where were you when I was single looking for a boyfriend? Right? Bakit ko nakauyab og Amerikano?
Nope. I was gonna say,
What's
ako
that?
said per that's a
Oh.
lie.
You have a lot of choices there in Singapore. That's like one of the places.
Per you can't really get like a serious. It's difficult to get a serious relationship here. Kay everyone is bound to move. They're not here to stay permanently. So
Oh.
yeah. May
Well,
nakalisod.
that's very really like, let's say if you fall in love with like an American and then you move to the States.
Perfect. That's the plan. Bitaw.
Right?
Yeah.
And then strip there for money. You're good to go.
To be honest, no, I don't see myself coming back to Philippines anytime soon, Raba. Kinang.
I can imagine.
Life is so hard there, bitaw. It's so
Yeah.
difficult. But I'm not saying nga bati ato ang country because of that. It's the reality of things. It's actually quite fun.
Yeah.
Dinha sa Cebu. It's just mo lang na siya
Yeah.
atong difficulties
It's
pud ba.
really, it's because it's so small, manggod. So it just works very differently. Pero sa akong nadunggan, pero dili, pinako actually sa Manila, there's more opportunity for you to grow sad kaysa Cebu. kay even
Yeah.
like as an influencer here sa Cebu, and I've seen the stark difference. If you have followers in Manila and you go to Manila, they'll really like be like, "Oh my God, Isa." If you're here, people see you and like, "Ugh, Isa ramanay, taga Cebu ramana." Ana gid ilang reactions ba? Unya, they only compliment you when they're drunk, like when they have that courage, but
Yeah.
murag any other day they don't, and then they know that ikaw said you're struggling. They ask you how you make your money, and then at the end of the day, they're like, "Uy, pa-favor ba kay migo bitaw tam?" Like, "Kibaw na gikawa tay kwarta."
Yeah.
Hangyoon pag yung kunin niyo.
Mo gyud na lisod no nga you take advantage of
Yeah.
friendship
Yeah.
for your benefit. Yeah, sakit kayo maghuna-huna ba nga, you're supposed to understand my situation
Yeah.
because we're friends.
There's it's really hard. Especially in our
Yeah.
industry nga service manggod atong gi-provide.
Diba ka nga mo ng reason nga nung before I wanted to be a
You
flight
would do good at
stewardess.
that.
And then naka-realize
You do good at that.
I don't think so. Kaya naka-realize ko mer, oh, this is a service industry and I cannot serve people.
You would let me change my statement. You would do good at traveling.
Kana. I think I would do better being a pilot than the
Than a
serve
flight
kanang-
stewardess.
Ano siya tawagan ni Uy? Flight stewardess.
Actually,
Oh.
bitaw. Kung service ka, people just don't know how to add value to that mango. They don't know how to equate it. Kaysa if it's a
Yeah.
product, then you can be like, oh, food costs this much, and then I'll just mark up 50%. Blah, 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 blah.
Yep. Kuan man siya, like you put value in it based on how much
Yeah.
you see your worth. And then it's difficult to sell because people don't always see the same
Yeah.
kind of
Yeah, that's true.
worth.
That's why that's why I'm signed under so many agencies. I make them sell me because if I do it on my own, like what good quick kliyente makuha.
It's so difficult. No, that's actually a good move.
Yeah.
Like, safeguard
I just
yourself.
like give everyone rights to sell me. Ghybz, so do you wait, sorry, I'm getting a little bit sidetracked, but it keeps coming up in my mind and then I never get to ask you, so I'm just gonna ask you now. Like, so you live
Sure.
with 5 people?
I do, but not
Like,
as
are you
often.
friends with them?
Kanang, oh my god, that's the weird thing because I've been living here for like 2 years now, and I have never met the kanang. I've never met one of them
Shut up.
ever. As in, no, because everyone stays in their room. We have a common area, but no one is out. Like, no one stays there. So I only ever see them if they're like cooking or kanang mag-abot sa CR or kanang padung ko CR, and then I don't know, like ana ra nga cases, but I never technically see them. And we're not friends. We say hi if mag-abot, but we don't chit chat or whatever.
That is so interesting. That's why I asked though. Because I knew I would need to ask you that.
It's not like this for all cases. It's usually with kanang mga Asian housemates. We like to keep to ourselves. So we rarely see each other. My friends who have kanang mga foreign, like white
Yeah.
housemates, they're friends and they actually like drink a lot or have dinner together. Kanang they chill.
That's what I thought it would be like if I ever had housemates.
I was hoping for that. I'm not the most sociable out there, but like when I moved here, I tried. Nga, like, hi, Anna. But you can tell nga they would rather be in their own space. So I
I
didn't
just
push.
had like this vision na murag. Don't they get scared sometimes, like when you change your hair color and then they see you like, who the hell is this?
Oh my god! Funny kina every time. Okay, when I moved here, I was no, I think black akong hair. Fuck, I can't even remember. I dyed my hair blue. Onya, kana lagi, we rarely see each other. And then there was this one time nga, padung ko mag-laundry, and then nakoy nasugatan niya. Kanaging ni double take yun siya nga.
Oh
Shit,
my
kinsa man ni. So I was like, hi, and siya kay, oh right, it's that girl. Yeah, Just recently nga green akong hair. Kanang nakita gyud ko nga nisiga ilang mata nga
Oh
oh my
my
god,
God!
green. And then you can tell nga they're trying to act normal when they say hi, okay? They don't want to
Oh.
offend you or whatever.
If I was your roommate, I could not not call it out. I'd be like, oh my God.
Exactly, right?
I say I can't imagine. I cannot imagine. The only person I've ever lived with is my husband. So
How's that
I'm
working
like, it's
out?
all right. We've been living together like even before we got married. It's been like 5 years, so it's like it's all right. Like I know how to kill him because like I know what he's allergic
Right.
to. And he would, if I use that thing, he would die instantly. So I always have that.
Wow.
But I haven't done it yet. So
Yet.
I think we're good.
Ganun. So far, he's still
Yeah, I
alive.
haven't killed him yet. Shit,
Grabe.
no. Kung tanan Teresians, bagi pa puyo. Og Singapore puyo, siguro tatanan sa.
Or bilitag sa mutig makauli.
Wala. Buang. Mapriso, siguro ta, no?
Yes! So, like, naagi days nga, feel na ko nga, I think I broke a law, I just didn't know.
Oh my God. That is insane.
Even just crossing the road, they always have a pedestrian lane diri, or like, you always have a specific place to cross. And then some roads, I'm not sure kung asa siya, so I just cross and I cross my fingers pud nga murag may tagdi ko
Oh
madakpan.
shit. But wala pa man kaha.
Wala. Oh, I wouldn't be able to afford it.
Oh
if ever.
shit. Okay, let's hope that you never ever get caught.
The scariest thing that's ever happened. These are scary, actually fun siya, but scary siya because I'm pretty sure we broke the law atong a time. I went out drinking with friends and then kuan siya, they were British, so kanang rowdy British guys.
Yeah.
gani. And then so we were tipsy, basically drunk, and then we saw kanang grocery cart, and then one of them went in, and we were like, yeah, kanang let's push
Oh my
this.
God.
Na gibuian na mo, and then it hit I don't know titawag na basta pillar siya. It hit the pillar na tuwad bitaw
Oh my
na.
God.
Like, it came off the ground. And then ang cart kay natuwad akong friend, and we were just laughing niya paglingi na mo. There were two people nga ni pass by and they saw everything. So we were like, get up niya, siya kay in pain pa. But kami kay, we need to leave now.
Holy shit.
I'm pretty sure that was caught on camera because everywhere
That's what
she
I
has
was
a camera.
thinking. I'm like, didn't you say? Kayata.
And then we also had one colleague nga bago pa siya ni move diri. He was with us like 2 weeks pa siya here niya. Pag happen ato siya kay fuck deport
Oh,
mo ko ani og
Oh my God. I'm actually jealous. So what are you planning to do
Ay,
for
I
this like lockdown? You don't know until when, diba?
They gave us a month, but I'm pretty sure ma-extend pa siya. So technically speaking, I don't know until when ni siya.
So what are you gonna do for a month?
Well, I can always paint. More gina siya akong lingaw diri. I mean, it's an indoor
That's
activity.
true.
So I have that and maybe do more of the recordings with
Yeah,
Kalai.
that's true. You really just need to keep yourself busy because like if you don't,
Yeah.
murag, then you're gonna get
Kuy,
sad.
crazy yuga. Yeah. Maybe when I start talking to kanang my furniture, I'll just do a TikTok
Yeah,
of it.
yeah.
Kanang pahimuslan ang kabuang.
I talk to the dog more than I talk to my husband, honestly.
Because you don't get into an argument talking to your dog.
And all
that's
he
why.
does is just want to cuddle with me, and I'm like, okay, I love you. I also wish that I had like bought a Switch in advance.
Actually, I want a Switch.
You
pod.
should buy one while you're there. I heard Animal Crossing is really fun.
They say it's a big thing, but that looks like ko ma-addict. Uy, I also want to take this opportunity to be productive. That's the biggest lie I've told myself.
Yeah,
but
I
ganahan ko
was
muna
like, I
ma-happen.
was laughing. I'm like, okay, tell yourself that now. I'll
Yeah.
see you on Animal Crossing.
In. Next thing you know, it's gonna be in my stories. Nga, hi, add me.
Right. Because I learned that you can like try and be productive, because that's what I was doing. Like I would go on my Facebook lives, I would like just do a bunch of shit. Like I'd say, okay, today I'm gonna make 10 TikToks. That's what my schedule's like.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna dedicate this day to TikTok. I'm gonna dedicate this time to like editing videos, and then you still have time.
Yes.
And it just made you realize, like, how the hell was I using my time before? Because I have so much time now.
It surprises you, because you always think you're busy. Even if when you want to meet up with friends and you're like, no, I have this and that going on, but it's really just in your head.
Yeah.
Okay, now that we're in quarantine, we're like, oh, right, I was just wasting my time.
Exactly.
Taas pa rin kong oras.
Right. That's why I'm telling you, get the Switch. You'll have time to play it. While you're at it, buy a Switch for me too.
Oh my God! Huy, in fairness, technology here is cheaper ba, compared to Cebu.
I'm telling you, you gotta get one while you still can, because you're gonna be there for a month. You're gonna run out of movies. You're gonna run out of things to paint.
Yeah.
You're gonna run out of porn to watch, podcasts to listen to film.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm really hoping I will be productive. I signed up for masterclass.
oh my God.
I subscribed to it because they had this promo nga 1 for 1. So I shared it with one of my friends here.
Girl, you will love masterclass. Nindot kay siya.
Oh, you have it.
No. So, what happened was, I made a boo-boo on my Bayhana episode. Ingon ko nga work, oh my God, so you can go on masterclass because they're giving out like a promo nga, like 1 month free. That was the promo that I was sharing. And then dapat to ni-message ako siya, hoy, kanang, I signed up for masterclass, but it's not free. And I was like, wait a minute, what am I talking about?
Oh, no.
So I was like, shit, dili day siya masterclass ang libre. It was Skillshare. I'm such a fucking idiot. And then like 100,000 views in, I can't take it back. But I'm just like, okay, let me just fix the description. But I was on it, and then dughan to ko ayo nagdindot.
Kayo.
Grabe, Jude. Whoa, wait. How many hours have we been at? Shit, 2 hours.
2 hours.
Well, I think I'm gonna go on my live on Instagram because I promised
you
my
have
followers. But this was really fun, Ghybz.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Tell everyone where they can follow you, because
Oh
it's
my God.
it's gonna be a long month, and you're gonna have a lot of amazing content up. And you should tell everyone where to follow you.
This feels weird because I've never really invited people to follow me, but you guys can see me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at Ghybz. That's GHYBZ. I hate myself for spelling it that way, but yeah.
You know what? Okay, so last thing that I'm gonna insert is that I actually had to research how to say your name right. Luckily, it's on your Instagram. It's Ghybz. It's how you spell it, and then it's at the bottom. It's Ghybz, like how to say it. So I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, maglisod ang mga tao, bitaw.
Guys, make sure to follow Ghybz. Also, I'm gonna leave a bunch of links to all her other accounts, just in case like we missed something out. So make sure to follow her on all her socials. Of course, don't forget to follow me, Issa please, and of course to subscribe to this podcast. And yeah, that's it. I don't really have an outro. Muna to siya. Bye, guys.